Dude, this thing's looking so sick, man. So sick. She is a beauty. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back yet again with a completed bike. Is looking sick now, dude. I'm so stoked on how this thing turned out. And welcome back, another day, another video. You know how it is. We got this stuff rolling now, man. We got some parts rolling in for a little bit of everything. I'm super stoked about it. And I hope you all enjoyed part 2 and 3 of the bike build there, and or all 3 parts for the most part. But I hope everybody enjoyed it, you know, watch it through. If you have any questions, let me know. As you can kind of see by the title of this video, this is going to be literally a how to really change the look of your bike up, especially with your dirt bike wheels. And if you're like me and don't really want to buy a whole new set of wheels for like $1,000, this is sub $100, and these are the best things I've ever found. It's just like rim tape kind of, but it's a more advanced kind of rim tape. It's pretty sick. Not only does it cover your rim, but it also kind of protects and guards the whole entire wheel itself, except just not the outer part of the rim, which is sweet. And from a distance, once these things are on, you literally you cannot tell. So basically the whole part of the wheel, these things will sit up onto the entire part of the wheel, up to the spoke just about, and it'll cover the entire wheel. So you literally just have a little patch of silver. And I got these things from Slavens Racing. And if you just hit a quick Google search on that, I'll put the link in the description for them. But these things are $50, and you just need 1 pack of them. I think they have right now blue, black, and I think red. Or sorry, not red, orange. But they always have more colors in stock. But right now they're a little back ordered, so we went with blue this time. And I usually like getting black ones, but I thought we'd try it out with this to be different for now. Kind of go with the newer look. So I think it'll look pretty sick. So we have a good color combo of the bike going on with the full blue style. And I really want to kind of make it look like a new bike off the showroom floor just about. So this blue is going to tie it in. This stuff is super simple to put on. Literally, it's 2 parts of it. You want to literally, and you can use a heat gun too if you want. Sometimes I like to when I'm all done, just to kind of make sure the adhesive sticks down on it. But step 1, basically literally clean your wheels with alcohol and get any kind of dirt off of your wheels. That's step 1. These things will not stick or stay on if you have dirt and stuff on your wheels, or grime, grease, you know, anything. So clean the wheels up and literally just take your time with this, and make sure you're going in the right directions, because they're kind of, from what I remember, they might be cut a little weird. So just double check you're going in the same direction, because you don't want to have like a V cut out on your wheels when you're kind of buttoning these up together. And I think you'll be super surprised at how great these things will make your bike pop. I mean, from a distance you would never know that these are on here. Obviously if you look close you're going to know it's a wheel decal, but other than that, super simple to put on. And like I said, under $100 you can't beat it. And if you're like me, you know, you just can't beat it. I've used these multiple times on every single other dirt bike except my old Yamaha 250F. Those were legit Excel anodized blue wheels. But everything else, I've had these over the years on these, and these things last too. Once you wash them, they do not fall off, and they're sweet. Like I said, Slavens Racing, they're the only people I know that make these things, so check them out. Link will be in the description, and let's get a quick install of these things. Step 1 here, we're just going to take them out of the package. And I'll kind of show you what they look like and the material of them. Get a little up close look. And this blue as well, it looks a little different on their website. The blue on the website kind of looks like a little light blue, but these things are YZ blue. So that will match up pretty good to your bike. As you can see, it's a dead smack match just about, which is really cool. And the material is just literally like a graphic that's on your bike. It's the same thing, a little more heavy duty just to protect from chips, rock chips and everything. So once you sort these out, there are actually 2 sizes. So you have your front ones, which are obviously going to be a little longer, and you'll have your back ones, which are going to be a little thicker. And you can kind of see that. Front ones will be a little narrower, back ones will be a little thicker. So match them up, and there should be 6 of each. First step, like I said, get some alcohol, get a rag, whatever kind of stuff you want. You really want to get all the grime and grease off here. So if you even want to like simple green your wheel and make sure it's super clean, do that. Just want to get all the oils and everything off of it. So we're going to do that real quick, get all the dirt off here. Alright, so now that the wheels are all cleaned up, we're going to go throw these things on here. It'll take literally probably 20 minutes to do, like I said, at most, once your wheels are all cleaned up. And we got the things all separated to front and rear, and you're literally just going to go piece by piece, and I will go jump on it now, set the camera up, and literally show you how to do it. And super simple, literally peel and stick, and just take your time and curve around the wheel, and let's get to it. We are finally done with one side. I'm gonna button this other side up real quick, and then we will be all done with it, ready to go. And we'll get some of these bubbles out. Literally take another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and we should be Gucci. Alright, we are back and we're all finished up, ladies and gentlemen. And wow, this thing turned out pretty slick. Back ones will overlap just slightly, and so will the front ones. So make sure you're spacing them correctly when you put them on. You don't need to cut them or trim them, just overlap them. And then what I like to do at the end is take a heat gun, get all the bubbles out, and just work the bubbles out. And just prepare so they don't peel up or anything. But what do you guys think? Check it out. Looks pretty slick, I think. Slavens Racing, I'll put them in the description there, the website where you can check them out at. Like I said, they're like 50 bucks for a set of them, and I'll keep you guys updated on how long they last. But I'm pretty confident they'll last literally all season, and then some, probably for years to come. As long as you wash them and take care of them, and when they peel up, if they peel up, I don't think that they will, honestly, but just do regular maintenance on your bike, and those should stick on there pretty good. I think we're going to tune out for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Super simple how-to and a super cost-effective way to change the lookup of your bike for the year. If you're like me and want to change up the wheels, super cool way to do it. I highly recommend it. Takes probably 20 minutes out of your day to do that, and that's it. I appreciate everyone for clicking on this video. If you liked it, leave me a like, comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more to come. Now summertime's rolling around. We got some beautiful weather coming in PA, so a lot of cool stuff coming and happening this year. I'm super stoked. A lot of cool people coming to the channel, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss it, and just make sure to smash the subscribe button, guys. That way you can know what's going on and everything. So check it out. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.